Hello and welcome back to my channel. My skin has cleared up. It was miraculously my period. What? I was in denial. It's daylight savings, which I don't like. I feel like a bird. I'm like, I gotta go to sleep. It's 4:50, girl. You're not going to sleep. I did a poll on my Instagram on what look I should recreate. Always out of focus, but it's something purpley with like a lot of lash. Primer? We'll do this. I think this is a priming water. Oh, can I do soap brows? I haven't done soap brows in a while. Should I? Soap brows. Does this grow bacteria? I don't know. It's kind of old. Maybe I shouldn't do soap brows. The vibes are, I'm not getting good vibes. So annoying. So I'm using this. I didn't want to use it. I wanted to do soap brows. Just know that. I haven't posted on my Instagram since Halloween. But I'm hoping to get a post in tomorrow. Oh my god, my birthday is coming. Okay, because I literally see wrinkles in my forehead. That's the curse of being an esthetician too. Like, I know the collagen is gone. Like, it's depleting from my face as we speak. I use Tweezerman tweezers. If anyone watching this is a nurse in California, how did you like the tease test, out of curiosity? What are your thoughts on it? I just want to know. This is the palette I've been using for my brows. I need to find a good like brown shade for my eyebrows, but I just use this eyeshadow. But I take like my Anastasia angled brush and I just kind of fill them in. Now this isn't even like a good match, but it'll do. I used to do my eyebrows like this in high school. It was really soft. I was on TikTok and I saw someone post like POV, you fell out of love with makeup, and I felt that. I was like, what was it? I know the pandemic didn't help because like we didn't go anywhere, we didn't get dressed up. Or we did, but we had nowhere to go. And then you were also wearing masks and no one was gonna see your makeup. I mean, we could do our eyes and stuff, but it wasn't the whole thing. I don't know, what do you recommend for brow product? Because I hate sometimes like just not filling them in. I don't know. Oh, I was at the grocery store today. I bought some everything bagels. I had one for breakfast. It was really good. But there was this older lady there who was definitely elderly, and she was like, "Can you grab me some bread?" And I was like, "Okay, sure, which one?" And then she was like, "That one," but she didn't point to a specific one, so I was like kind of unsure which one she wanted. And I pointed at the wrong one, and then she got upset at me. This is what bothers me, like this corner right here. I don't like when it's so sharp. Oh, but anyways, the bread lady. She was not happy about me choosing the wrong bread, which was funny because it's bread. What's your favorite grocery store to shop at? I like shopping at Ralph's. Whole Foods is nice too. I like Ralph's because it's close by. I also have a grocery outlet that's close by to me. They have really good stuff there too, but sometimes they don't have like everything that I need. This pink one right here. Oh yeah, this is definitely it. Now I think the key to getting that look is just having, it's like winged out and super blended. Oh my god, ew. I have eye boogers. I'm so sorry. Should I add this color? I'm gonna add it. Oh shit. I think that's not what I wanted to do. Damn it. not what I wanted to do. I'm wiping it off and starting again. So now that I have like the wash going, I'm gonna start to heavily focus and create that V shape that I want. This brush is falling apart. Morphe. I'm gonna take this brush and add this really, really pretty pink shimmer over top. Oh my god, I love it. Stop it right now. Oh, can you see it? I know you can see that. Oh my god, I'm screaming. Tell me that's not like the prettiest pink you've ever seen in your life. I'm gonna add some mascara. My lash lift is growing out. I think I'm gonna take a pair of these and just cut these up. And that's the look. So literally I'm just chopping up a bunch of lashes to give me like a really spiky lash look. I'm gonna do my concealer and then my lower lash line. So I'm concealing. It's so dark outside. And it is 5:19. Tell me why I'm ready for bed. I'm using the world famous, apparently. And yes, I'm gonna use it to do that stupid highlight trick. I have to. And kind of create a little line here. Then I'm gonna smoke it, don't worry. Oh, you know what would have looked cute if I did like purple? Maybe I could still do it. Like a purple color. Yes, I like that much more. And just continue to blend. I try not to go to the base because then that's gonna really mess up my waterline. So I just do like the little outskirts. Fuck yeah. And I'm gonna add a little bit actually of that glitter under my eye. Oh, it looks so nice in person. I don't want to move too much because I'm kind of scared my eyelashes are gonna fall off. I'm using the Physicians Formula one. Oh my god, my battery's gonna die, so I'm trying to go fast. This kind of matches my lighting, no? I'm gonna use my Sailor Moon collab because it's really cute and it's actually a really, really pigmented blush. It has a little kitty on it and I'm really sad because the more I use it, the more it kind of deteriorates. Do you see what I mean? It's really pigmented. If you look up close, it doesn't look good. But for a picture, it'll look fine. And then I'm gonna fill it in with this MAC Boldly Bare to give it like a gradient. So I'm going in with the Ulta, this was really popular, Juice Infused Lip Oil, the pink one. It's actually really good. It kind of reminds me of the Glossier gloss, you know? And it smells kind of good. And with battery to spare, I hope it doesn't die on me. But that's the completed look, y'all. I have to go take a picture now, but I don't have anything to wear, so I'm just gonna literally do a face picture. I hope you liked it. It looks really cute. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.